Okay, so previously I had videos showing construction of the wing, and which included putting in the servo blocks and also the opening for the servo and for the aileron servos. And what I realized, because I was finishing up the sheeting and I was going to start making some videos showing the sheeting, and I realized that I made a big mistake. What I did was I actually constructed it with the servo opening on the upper part of the wing instead of the lower part of the wing. Now, it's not going to be that difficult to fix. I'm just going to go ahead and patch this, and then I'm going to open up this side and put the servo there and put the blocks in there and such. But boy, I spent all that time putting those servo blocks in and stuff on that other video, and it's in the wrong location. So I'm probably going to pull that video off because it's not correct. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and fix this and then come back to it, and then after that I'll start working on the showing the videos for the sheeting, which came out really nice. It's just that I have the hole in the wrong, should be in the bottom of the wing, not in the top of the wing. So that was a big blunder that I have to fix. Okay, so I went ahead and fixed this problem. I used 1/16 inch balsa sheeting, and I just patched the hole up on top that I previously made for the aileron, for the aileron servos, which was a mistake. And then I just opened up the bottom and made room for the servo, and I added these two additional little servo mounting blocks in there. So that's it. It was a quick repair, and again, it was a mistake on my part. Just didn't pay attention to what I was doing, but now it's fixed, so I can move on. Alright, so in the next videos, and there may be two I'm going to do, I'm not sure, one or two, I'm going to show how to put on the sheeting that I did here. But you're just keep in mind when you're watching those videos, if you're watching this series, that I have this hole up on the top of the wing, and that's not correct. So just keep in mind that that I have to fix it, which I just did here. So that's it, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.